So here's how to change background in Capcut. Let's start off with the Capcut application. And as you can see, we're now in the Capcut app. Here, click on Import from the options. After that, navigate to the content which you want to change the background of. Then, open it. After that, click on the plus icon to add it to your editor. Once it's added, right-click on it and click on Copy and paste another layer of the content over here. Now select the new layer and select Cutout from the options on the right. Here, enable the option Chroma Key and click on this color picker option. After that, click on any color that you want. After that, adjust the strength and shadow according to your preference. Next, let's go over to Library from the left panel and choose a background from the options here. Or you can also import your own background. After that, just paste the background right under the new layer that you had created and use the chroma key on. And as you can see, the background has been changed. And that is exactly how to change background in Capcut.